Good morning, everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss about employee separation. This topic comes under strategic human resource management. So, if we talk about employee separation, as the name suggests, employee separation is occur when the employee ceases to be member of the organization and the employment agreement between the employer and the employee comes to an end, and when the employee leaves the organization. There are various causes for which an employee want to leave the organization or employee is get separated from the organization. This may include various reasons, like if there is issues related to compensation and benefits in the organization, for a better career prospect, an employee may leave the organization. If he is facing any job related issues in the organization, so he want to leave the organization. uh, if he does not like something in organizational functioning, he may look up for another job and he may leave the organization. And certain times there are certain personal factor which is related to the health or the family related issue, employee leave the organization. So there could be various reasons for leaving the organization for an employee, so which comes as a separation of employee. So now we will discuss the major forms of employee separation. So the major forms includes, there are basically 8 forms of employee separation. These are the basically ways by which an employee leave an organization. So first reason is downsizing. So see, due to the modernization, technological upgradation, cost effectiveness, high quality product, many old industries which were established are facing very stiff competition from not only newly set up modern industries with latest machinery and equipment, but by small scale sectors also. So many organizations, many traditional organizations like textile, coal mines, engineering setups, and few multinationals also are forced to adopt urgent measure to uh, uh, rationalize their manpower. So the term downsizing means to reduce excess manpower by suitable measures and adjust manpower as per the requirement of the organization. And there are various reasons for downsizing as well, because there could be a surplus of employee in the organization. There is the technological obsolescence, that is why the employees are I mean, there is extra employees in the organization. Technological upgradation is one more reason for downsizing the uh, employees in the organization. So downsizing is one of the major reason by which employees get separated from the organization. Second form of separation is voluntary retirement scheme, and also compulsory retirement scheme is also there. So what is voluntary retirement scheme? Voluntary retirement scheme is popularly known as golden handshake. It is one of the method of reducing surplus labor in the organization, and this scheme is not new to the industry. Under this scheme, the organization announced a VRS for interested employee who have to apply the voluntary separation from the organization. Uh, they are relieved as per the terms and conditions of the organization. One of the attraction of this scheme is that the amount payable under VRS scheme is eligible for tax relief, and some certain companies also offer certain extra benefits when an employee go for VRS. There is another aspect of it which is known as compulsory retirement, which is also known as iron handshake. So HR department with input from line manager prepare a list of surplus employee and discharge them from their service without providing additional financial benefit. So it is other than the normal retirement. So therefore it is called compulsory retirement or iron handshake in the industry. Third major form of employee separation is known as layoff. So what is layoff? Layoff is a temporary separation of employee at uh, in instance of employees under a specific situation. For example, if there is there is no regular supply of raw material, for which the the production unit has been shut down, so many employees can be temporarily separate from the job. So though the temporary separation sometimes turn into permanent one, and the production house will never pick up laid off employees, uh, so the longer period of layoff time is there, there is a less possibility of individual to return in the organization. And there are various reasons for which layoff happen. It could be due to decline in sale of the product, shortage of raw material, market fluctuation, delay in production, surplus labor, or high labor cost. So these are the reason why layoff occurs. Next form of separation is known as discharge. So discharge is uh, just like layoff, but it is a permanent separation of employee from the payroll of company, frequently due to some incompetencies or offense created by the employees in the organization. So if it is a kind of disciplinary action against a individual. And the reason for discharge may be willful violation of rule, insubordination, dishonesty, violence in the organization, aggressive act. And discharge is the most stressful method when it comes to separate an employee from the organization. And so uh, basically dismissal and the termination is the term which is used for service of an employee as to punitive measures of some misconduct. So discharge also means termination of service of an employee, but not necessarily as a punishment. The discharge does not arise a single irrational act. Next form of separation is retrenchment. So HR function, as we all know, start with recruitment, selection of employee, and end with separation of employee from the organization. So retrenchment is one of the reason method by which an employee gets separated. Retrenchment is permanent termination of employee's service due to economic reasons, such as poor demand of product, general economic slowdown, uh, the financial capability of the organization, or the binding of the business. So according to Indian Dispute Act 1947, the employee has to be given 3-month notice before retrenchment. Next form of separation is termination of key manager. So there is it is also a kind of termination. It is for key management areas. So all the form of separation, the most difficult uh, type of separation is termination of service of a person, especially if he is holding any senior position in the organization. This is because that the key person may have access the confidential and sensitive document or information to others. So it is a kind of punitive action of terminating services of such people. Next type form of separation is known as pink slip. It is basically a metaphor which is used for termination of employee in the organization. It refers to American practice of HR department, including discharge notice in the employee's salary envelope, informing that the employment has been terminated. So from there, the term and this slang pink slip arises, and it is since the salary was given in pink envelope, so the name pink slip was given to the termination. But there is no difference between termination and the employee separation. But nowadays there are other employers that those are looking for talent. So with the negative economic condition, that downsizing market trend, pink slip is not seen as negative uh, in terms of knowledge, skill, and attitude of candidate. So it is not a negative form of separation. It is as considered. The last form of separation is known as outplacement and exit interview. So outplacement, under this program, career guidance is provided to displaced employee to help them in searching new job. So it is basically a positive perspective uh, of an organization to help terminated employee. Whereas exit interview is an interview which is most companies are conducting when an employee is leaving the organization for whatever, for finding out whatever is the reason for leaving that particular job. So the employee who is leaving the job can give certain inputs which can be considered afterwards for the betterment of the organization. So these are the methods by which employees get separated from the organization. So in this lecture, we have discussed about the concept and forms of employee separation in an organization. So that is it for the day. Thank you so much.